The important thing is to do whatever you can do to help your daughter maintain her connection with her source. Because when she's in connection with her source, she'll feel good. She'll feel safe. She will attract things that are. And the worst thing you can do is fan the flames of what makes her feel vulnerable. And so we get it. People don't want to hear that. They want you to face reality, and they want to take all kinds of action. But you're leading us to the most important thing that we will talk about here together today. You're really going to like it, how it ties together, and the tool that it will give you for clarity along the way and success in whatever it is you're teaching or living yourself. So in every moment that you are awake in your physical body, you are in the receiving mode of something, because you can't turn your tuner off. It's on, which means you are emitting a vibrational signal, which means you are receiving a vibrational signal, because whatever station you're on is what's coming back to you. The question that you might want to ask yourself as you're moving through the day, it ties in with this satisfied or not satisfied, is what receiving mode am I in? Am I in the receiving mode of source, who knows the whole picture of me? Or am I in the receiving mode of CNN, who has a different agenda today? What receiving mode am I in? Because depending upon what receiving mode you're in, either will gain momentum. In time, there will be enough momentum that you'll want to take action. But you just want to make sure that you're in the receiving mode. Esther has just sent off to the printer a proof for a new dash card. It's a card you can put on the dash of your car. It was either that or a bumper sticker, and she didn't think it was a good idea for you to run around with a bumper sticker that said "under the influence." When you look at it, you can't tell what it says because it's all backwards and funny, but when it's on your dash, it reflects onto your windshield. So low on your windshield, it's a nice reminder: under the influence. What influence am I under? Am I under the influence of my inner being, which means am I in the receiving mode, or am I under the influence of fearful, worrisome things? So step one, of course, be awake in this world, be alive in this world, and let what comes to you in this world serve you in the way you intended. Let knowing what you don't want help you to know what you do want. For example, when you're listening, when you're under the influence of source, the eventual ideas that will flow to you will be ideas such as offering love as often as you can, and noticing in advance those who are feeling like fish out of water, and maybe doing something to soothe them before they feel so disenfranchised and misunderstood